I'm recording for the rain, from Super Bomb Subway. And I'll put this. Cold. It's so cold. And there's organic. Let's slip right here. We need to get okay. Dang it, the screen. The fucking screen already. I have to get faster because again, look at that. 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 And I'm gonna get so wet in here. Why? Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that water. Oh, so cold. And then you know about then so really cold in here. God dang it. It's already in the screen. There's more right here. It's cold. Look at that. All the fog in the house. God dang it. Thank you for watching, and I have to end this video, please. And thank you for watching to me. Bye.